No matter how glorious your destiny may be, you cannot step into its fullness without growth and preparation. A powerful calling does not exempt you from the process, it demands it. God never promotes immaturity. Before David became king, he was a shepherd boy trained in obscurity. Before Joseph ruled Egypt, he was processed through pits, betrayal, and prison. Even Jesus grew, and Jesus increased in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and men. Luke 2:52. Destiny is not fulfilled by desire alone, but by development. Growth aligns you with God's timing, sharpens your capacity, builds your character, and equips you with the tools to manage greatness. An undeveloped person with a great destiny is like a child put in charge of a kingdom. Disaster is inevitable. It's not just about being called, it's about being ready. You must grow spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and in obedience to God's word. The higher your destiny, the deeper your roots must go. God is a master builder. He does not rush the process. He prepares vessels for lasting impact. His pattern is to develop before he delivers. He trains before he entrusts. The Bible goes further to tell us in Galatians 4:1, "Now I say, that the heir, as long as he is a child, differeth nothing from a servant, though he be Lord of all." An heir must grow to enjoy his inheritance. Proverbs 4:7, "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding." Growth begins with wisdom. Luke 2:52, "And Jesus increased in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and man." Even Jesus grew to fulfill his destiny. Jeremiah 18:4, "And the vessel that he made of clay was marred, so he made it again, as seemed good to the potter to make it." God forms and reforms us until we are ready. To you watching and listening to this message, don't skip your process. Your destiny is not in question, but your readiness is. Choose daily to grow, through study, prayer, service, humility, and obedience. Allow God to stretch you. Be faithful in your current stage so he can trust you with the next. Stop praying for the throne if you are unwilling to endure the training of the wilderness. Greatness is not microwaved. It is cultivated. Finally, a great destiny in the hands of an unprepared person is a delayed impact. The world is waiting for the grown-up version of you. Let God build you into the person who can carry the weight of your assignment. Grow intentionally. Destiny fulfilled is a product of destiny developed. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for more.